Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 112th shloka. Jani Sangata Aikata Janma Gela Parivad Vevad Taisa Chithela Uthe Samshayo Vadha Dambhadhari तुटे वाद संवाद तो हितकारी. The meaning of this shloka is the whole life is gone in speaking and listening, but the debate remained the way it was. The roots of doubt sank deeper and pretense grew denser. Know that dialogue is the best and that heals the mind and stops the arguments. Here is the explanation. Samartha Ramdas Swami continues explaining how the fruitless debate is worthless. During our entire life, we come across many types of people. Some of them are real experts in their areas, while some are not. But it seems like everyone wants to provide their advice, irrespective of whether they are capable of or authorized to do so. We might also be falling into one of these categories in various areas. We are living in the age of internet where there is plenty of knowledge available in every area we look for. It is critical to filter out what is of value and what is not. In one of the sessions recently, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar mentioned it very beautifully. He said that the goal of life is to spread love and to get knowledge. But many do it reverse. They want to get love from everyone and they want to give knowledge or advice to everyone else, even when they are not the experts. We also come across many who are focused on asking worthless questions or raising different viewpoints just for the sake of it. Being suspicious or having doubts to get clarifications is definitely good if the intention of doing that is to have total clarity in what we are seeking. But if someone is raising doubts after doubts just to make their point and not really interested in getting clarity, but interested only in continuing the debate, then that will have no end. It can go on forever. Such people will be hypocrites. They will say they are doing or intending to do something which they are really not. We need to stay away from being hypocrites. We should walk the talk and also, while getting clarification, need to do that for our betterment. If we are on the side of providing knowledge or advice, then we need to make sure that we really have the correct information and have practical experience with it. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your feedback and comments. And do like and share and subscribe to the channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. Jai Jai Raghuveer Samartha.